This case study highlights the importance of customization in order to satisfy all aspects of operating criteria. A customer's high-speed leveling machine operated with a dry shaft assembly containing a traditional pin and block universal joint. The speed of the application caused the components to overheat and posed a considerable fire hazard. To address the problem of overheating, Belden Universal's engineering team recommended replacing the pin and block component of the drive shaft assembly with a re-lubricatable forged cross and needle bearing style joints. Cross and bearing configurations don't present as much friction on the surface of the yoke, therefore significantly reducing the issue of heat generation. However, as was the case in this example, the swing diameter of a standard cross and bearing joint is often too large and doesn't fit flush with the other existing components. To resolve this problem, Belden's design team modified the yoke ears of the original drive shaft to align with the larger outside diameter of the new cross and bearing component. The assembly was manufactured from high-grade alloy steel. The yoke ears were hardened and ground for increased torque capacity. A special telescoping spring loading feature is provided for easy on and off installation. The array of customization resulted in a high-performance, low-maintenance drive shaft optimized for speed, torque, and available space, as was appropriate with the customer's metal processing machinery.